I actually sold my Hero 6 for around $250, so I'm only losing like $50. I know in GoPro you have to have like at least even though if you have a Hero 6 or black, that's what I had, and they still want you only get like $100 out of it. So I sold it privately. So this is what I got a Hero 7 finally, and I just want to go ahead and show it to you guys that what it's all about. Be honest with you, I'm not really gonna do unboxing. I'm just gonna give you guys my thought, because I mean, I had this in the past. I mean, like, what I'm saying is it's pretty much the same thing. It's the same cover. I mean, the only thing that they changed here is how you call it, the only thing that they changed here is the color, and of course they probably just do new features to it. And then what else, the same battery, and I mean, you got everything that pretty much what you're getting for this guy here. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just open it all up and see what I got in this guy here, and that's about it, really. I mean, it's really not much. I don't want to say anything. I mean, it's a Hero 7, so hopefully everything's in here. So I got this for $300, so it's cool that I got it for that price. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do a quick memo here and see what's all this guy all about. And pretty much the same thing, I mean. And the good thing about this, the reason why I'm also liking this one, because of the fact that I got like multiple batteries. And you know, even though you have a Hero 6, if you need to, you can just go ahead and quick transfer your you know, when you have already, wanna go ahead and see if the aftermarket battery would work too, but I already have like batteries, so get me in the field that I need. And then you guys can see we're just gonna go ahead and yeah, so it looks, I mean, I'm not really want to go ahead and take it all apart and show us all about. I mean, it's basically a Hero 6 and a Hero 5, and they just add new feature to this thing. And you know, they just have that stabilize. I guess you don't need a handheld gimbal anymore, but I'm pretty sure probably still need it. You know, it's a waterproof, robust. That's about it. So again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'm gonna put this guy to the field and go from here. Thanks.